Welcome back, guys. So, in our series of backup and restore uh, for PostgreSQL, in our last video, we have talked about the how we take the backup using pgdump utility. In this video, we'll see how to restore, uh, how to dump the all databases. In our previous video, we have talked about how to take the backup of dump of only one database. In this video, we'll be talking about taking the backup of all the databases. So this utility is also same as we have uh, pgdump. So pgdump all hyphen help. you'll see you'll see all the options are quite same as we have already talked about, so I'm not going to talk uh, these options in detail. Okay, so but here one option is there, you need not to mention hyphen d. Okay, as it is taking that backup of the whole all the databases. So how we do it? Let's move to the lab. Okay, so we were talking about pgdump utility. Okay, so you can see hyphen c hyphen s, these are the just for taking the clean backups and structure only. These are all the same: clean, drop database, and then hyphen small s is for schema only. This is just I'm showing you. Okay, you can take it then, but let's try to do one. Okay, so I have already took the command pgdump all hyphen u hyphen c hyphen s clean, drop database before creating, hyphen s for small. Is it something different in these? No, data only. Schema only. Yeah, hyphen A. There should be hyphen A. Yeah, this for data only. This is for schema only. Okay, so let's see if we are able to do it. We are using pg dump all here. Okay, hyphen U, capital U for user, Postgres, hyphen small c is for create database command. Create before clean, like drop statement before creating the tables, and hyphen small s for schema only. Okay, so it will ask you the backup for the password for all the databases, how many you have. If I have 4 databases, so it will ask the backup password for. Oh, maybe I have entered the wrong password. Let me enter that again. See, I have 5 databases. So it took the backup. Okay, so let me see. Yes, I have 3 to 5 databases. So it asks the password 5 times to take the to enter. I have inserted the backup of password for my Postgres user, as it can take the backup of all the databases super user. So you see, this is the backup of all the databases. Drop database test, drop database test db. See, everything is dropping here. Then we are creating this role, databases template this, drop database template 1, create database template 1, and then we'll have other databases, Postgres, create database Postgres, and then all the details related to it, and then we'll have create database test, and then all the details related to it. We do not, you see, we do not have insert statements in this. Okay, these are the functions. Okay, everything you will see here for all the databases. I just took the backup of schema only, as the backup will be very large if I do the backup of data as well. So you can take based on your requirement. So this is all about pg dump utility. Let's see if we have anything. Yeah, so this is all about pg dump utility. So in our next video we'll be talking about how to restore the backups. Okay, so thank you, and I'll be seeing you in my next videos. Thanks.